Okay, I'm doing a video today on the M92. The M92 is a AK47 pistol that is manufactured by Zastava out of Serbia. Today I have a 75 round drum magazine on it, and I am going to demonstrate the firepower of this particular weapon. Over here I have a silhouette of a criminal, a gangster. The guy's got his hat on backwards, you know, and one of these guys that walk around with their pants falling down and a gun and always robbing people and beating people up. So I figured I'd just go ahead and practice on one of these deals. So I'm going to chamber this, and I am going to bust out a few rounds. I'm not going to dump the whole magazine because it costs too much money, but I haven't used this drum yet, so this will be a good chance for me to test it out and show you the firepower of the M92. Let's rock. It's pretty awesome. Let's go see what it looks like. Well, as you can see, this gangster is not going to hurt anybody ever again. And you know, the M92 it only goes for about $500. And if you need something to defend your household, this is the gun to get it done. This is going to be probably my last video on this particular firearm. So the proof is in the pudding, folks. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.